Hi, I'm Jill. Welcome to FabFitFun's YouTube channel. This is Customized Close-Up. This is an option for select members only. This is a super hard decision to make because these products are amazing. So the first selection option we have is the Sip by Swell water bottle. If you guys are not familiar with this brand, this is one of my favorites. I seriously have one next to my bed, in my gym bag, at my desk. It goes everywhere with me. It comes in 20 different color variations. All of them are so cute and fashionable, and it's perfect for the spring season. You can put hot liquids in it, cold liquids in it, wine if you want to. There's no judgment, and this bottle will be your best friend. The next option is the The2Bandits Athens necklace. It is a 16-inch chain with a 3-inch extender. One of the things I love about an extender is that you can really play around with the length in which your necklace goes. You can layer it, you can mix and match your metals, you can wear it by yourself with no one around. I spend my whole life refraining from saying whatever I want to say, and now they're asking me to do that. It also has this iridescent stone, which is such a trending stone. I get so many compliments when I wear this necklace. It is one of my favorites, and it goes with everything. It's also really fun because this is a female founder, and it's located locally in San Francisco. That is way too perky for San Francisco. I'm from the Bay Area, so I feel like I'm repping. The next option is the Ciaté Extraordinary Translucent Powder. Baking is not only for the kitchen, but you can also do it in your bathroom. What we want to do is we just want to go underneath where your natural contour line would be, just to accentuate that a little bit, and you can just pack that in. It doesn't need to be neat. It can just go wherever you want it. You're gonna brush it off anyways. It's just really to set what you already have done on your face. So you can put it underneath your contour. I also like to bake under my eyes, just really brightens that area up a little bit. And that's it, we're done. So I usually just let that sit here for a little while, and while I'm doing my other things that I need to do, my eye makeup, whatever it is, and then I'll come back to this about 10 minutes later and then brush it off, and you will be good for the rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you saw here and just have to have it, be sure that you upgrade to the Select membership to be able to choose from these awesome customizations. We want to hear from you, so comment below, let us know what you think. I'm definitely gonna go with the Swell. I need my 5th one just to round out my collection, but we want to know what you are going to choose. Thanks so much for joining us. Bye guys.